Feeling dizzy for no reason, like the room suddenly spins out of control? Vertigo can be scary, and the real cause might not be what you think. New research points to a common cooking ingredient hiding in your kitchen. The full story is in the video linked below. Have you ever felt the world spinning, your head heavy, and balance slipping away? Dizziness can be annoying, but what if there was a drink that could help? Today, we're diving into a refreshing concoction that many claim can ease those dizzy spells. This drink is packed with natural ingredients, designed to hydrate, nourish, and restore your body. Imagine this, a blend of coconut water packed with electrolytes combined with fresh ginger. Ginger has been known for centuries to soothe nausea and promote digestive health. But that's not all. We're adding a splash of lemon juice for a zesty kick and to boost your vitamin C intake. Vitamin C can strengthen your immune system, giving your body the support it needs. Now let's talk about honey, a natural sweetener that can provide quick energy. When you're feeling dizzy, a little energy can go a long way. This drink is not just about flavors, it's about crafting a remedy that's delicious and effective. Remember, staying hydrated is key. Dizziness often comes from dehydration, so sip on this drink throughout the day. Curious if this drink can truly fix your dizziness? Give it a try. Make it your go-to in moments of lightheadedness and see how it makes you feel. Share your experience in the comments below. Could this be the solution you've been searching for? Cheers to finding relief in a glass. And remember, if you're still struggling with unexplained dizziness, don't overlook that common cooking ingredient. It might seem harmless, but it could be the hidden trigger behind your vertigo. Check out the video in the description to learn more.